Happy birthday to you and Bernal.
HANLEA Beckford is celebrating birthday number 5 this year. HANLEA, what a pretty name, is in Nevada.
BRISTON WERTZBERGER has a 7th birthday. BRISTON, wishing you all the best birthday wishes.
PRESLEE Harris, turning 8 years old this year in Jasper.
Gage O'Bannon, he is turning a big number 12. Oh, Cage got to go. He got to go to the old jump pit right there. Happy birthday, my man in Arma.
How much fun there. And Olivia BRISTON celebrating Sweet 16 this year.
Got two 26s right here. We'll start with ASHLYN SWAIT. I wish I could see the rest of her shirt right there. All I see is the tired part. Happy 26 to ASHLYN. She's celebrating in Pittsburgh, and ASHLYN wants you to know these birthday wishes come with love from the whole family.
And this next 26-year-old is Megan Berger in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Megan.
Run out to the City of Flags, because that's where we find. That is not the City of Flags that Kody is pictured in. I don't think. If so, I do not know that plateau, but that is a cool looking picture, Kody. A happy birthday as he turns 32.
All right. And Stephen Kane celebrating birthday number 46 this year. Happy birthday, Stephen.
You've out working hard right there. Teresa Clark celebrating her 50th birthday. Or Tessa, excuse me. Tessa, a very happy birthday to you. She is in Columbus.
All right, and Gerard CLEO Allen Jones is celebrating. He's 65 years old this year.
CAROLYN FINCH, 77. What a gorgeous cake there, Miss Carolyn, and what a great hat. Absolutely love it. Happy birthday to Carolyn in the O Show.
She grew like 2 feet with that hat. Like it. Bob and Ethel Lee are celebrating 75 years together. That's amazing. 75th anniversary in Jasper, Missouri for the Lees. Congratulations to Bob and Ethel.
And who that is? That's our own Trenton Sanderson right there. Look at that. Clean shave. That's a clean shaving trim. Huh. Find the backstory of that one.
How old is that picture?
Trenton is our master control operator. For those of you that are not familiar, thanks to our people in master control, they are the reason that we stay on the air. They do yeoman's work and do not get enough credit for what they do. Trenton, a very happy birthday to you, my man. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this October the 14th. That's where you can send them into birthdays@KOAMTV.com or go to the website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. All you have to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.